Hello everyone, Mountain RC here, and today I would like to show you K truck from WPL, and this is a D14. It's here. Let's open this. Let's open. New truck from WPL, and it's insane because this D14 is officially licensed product from Suzuki, as you can see here, logo and everything. So I like it. As everyone knows that this truck was the most popular model from WPL in 2021, and it was sold out just like this. 4-wheel drive, brushed motor, tons of options for modification. Guys, if you want to get this, just link below. Let's open. I love. Scale of this car is 1 to 10, so it's really big if we will compare with any kind of popular RC trucks like 118, 124. So this big guy, box, and there is our remote. Good material. I really like feeling. Manual, some parts. And also we have stickers. Oh, I love stickers. Yo, it's a big. Wow. First look. Whoa. As we have some parts here, let's just put parts, and after that cinematic shot and testing out, and let's go. Side mirror. This kind of battery box for car. So it goes here. Yo, it's just good. It's just good. So good. Here we go. Okay, let's put some batteries. And again, these yellow lights, they look vintage. Just look. Okay, finally, this is time for testing it out outside. And 3, 2, 1. It's a drift wheels. Nice. Okay, our wheels on. I would like to do this, right? Okay, that's all for today, and thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more. If you would like to get this or other WPL trucks, link below. Thank you so much again. Bye.